Today we're going to go over some stickers. So what I like to do is review sticker companies that are women owned and small businesses. So we'll take a look at 5 different companies. Stickers by Designs by Misha, stickers by Love Charmaine, Hello Petite Paper, and Wrong. And then in my monthly spread, we're going to go over a sticker kit from the Style Planners. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for coming back, and let's take a look at my planner. Let's go. Okay, so here we are on our first weekly spread, and we're ready to dive in. I got my tea this morning. I did a combination of cinnamon and chamomile, honey chamomile. It's delicious. So I'm ready to go. And I just gotta say, I know this setup looks a smidge weird, and that's because I'm going through a little bit of a transition. Maybe some of you are too. We're in January. We're flipping over from our old planner to our new planner. And so the planner I used last year was an 8x10, and this year's planner, it's the same planner, but the pages are 8.5 by 11, so they're a little bigger. So I got a couple weeks in this one, and then I'm gonna move into the other one. But I didn't want to take this out because I really wanted to share a planner company that I discovered. I discovered this company at the Chicago Planner Conference, and the company is called Designs by Misha. And she got the cutest stickers. So I picked up a couple of her Cozy Winter Vibes stickers. So these are stickers that I did buy. Sometimes I show stickers that I've gotten. So I went to the Chicago Planner Conference in November. And so some of the stickers coming up were like swag. All the attendees got a big bag of swag, and different companies put in their stickers or washi tape or all kinds of stuff. So some things I did purchase, and some things were included with our ticket that we got from going to the conference. So anyways, this is one I did purchase, and she's a fabulous lady. I met her in the shopping area of the conference. And so what I liked was she has some doll stickers. Now, if you watched my other video, I said doll stickers were very new to me. I'm much more of a functional planning sticker person, but I wanted to try a few doll stickers. And so I got some of hers from her Cozy Winter Vibes, because we're still in February. It's still wintertime, even though I know we're all craving spring right now. But I just want to embrace the cold and the cozy, not just January or January, but it's still winter until like end of March, really. So here is, and I thought that girl kind of looked like me. So what's cool about doll stickers is you can pick dolls that resemble you or resemble the lifestyle you have, and I just think it's cute. Now, her Winter Vibes, she's got some cute like sweaters and blankets, and a little cozy hat, some cinnamon sticks, which I got my cinnamon tea, scarf, little mittens with some ferns growing out of them. It's like a stump and another like a spruce or a pine or something like that, and some cake. So it's like this whole vibey, and that's what I'm all about. Cozy hat, I got my cinnamon tea, scarf. So I love that. I did feel like I needed to fill in the space a little bit more, and because I like functional stickers too. So I did add in these boxes, and I think that kind of tied everything together really nicely. These boxes are from Wrong, but I thought the color scheme matched really good. So if you like dolls or want to give it a try, or just want a few fun decorative stickers, definitely check out Designs by Misha. I think it worked really good, and I've been saving this page so I could show you, and I didn't want to write in it because I wanted to show you. So Cozy Winter Vibes, A+, I love it. Thank you, Designs by Misha. Okay, next page is going to be a little different, especially if you've never done any journaling before. So this spread is completely different than what I've ever done or what I've ever put together. And these stickers are by Love Charmaine. These stickers and washi tape that I got were more like journaling stickers or scrapbooking stickers, but I think they're called like journaling pages in the planner world. But as you can see, they're a little more not functional. There's like no function stickers. They're all decorative stickers, but you can use them in a functional way. So I wanted to show you this because if you're someone that just wants something pretty to decorate your planner, you don't really need functional stickers. And also too, my planner, the Work and Life Planner, is laid out in a functional way. So you have all the designated areas in kind of the dashboard section for what you need. You don't need stickers. I just love stickers because they make me happy. And if your planner makes you happy and stickers make you happy, then go for it. What I like about Love Charmaine is this right here, this strip and this strip, that's her washi tape. The washi tape quality is like, wow. Her washi tape is thicker, smoother. It's almost like a high quality sticker. Like, so the feelings, it's actually thicker than her stickers, but like the feeling of a thick, good quality, like vinyl sticker is the feeling of her washi tape. So it's just a super nice feeling. So I like her washi tape a lot. And these are all the stickers that came in the journaling kit. So I kind of grouped them up together, but as you can see, it's very whimsical, very girly. She's got a lot of nature, like butterflies, bumblebees, snails, flowers, flowers, I said that already. More flowers over here. And these like little circles and these little like coffee stain almost, or like circles with a little coffee circle. It's very like, I don't know, not woodsy, but like you're in a field and just naturey. So I think it gives a very calming feeling and just kind of relaxed. So I put these ones up here because you can write on these. So these could be like my headers. Put that down here so I can make some bullet points, right? Okay. And then I put this one here so this can also be a header, a small header, so I can still write out some stuff. And then over here, I put this little bow here and these 3 dots so I can still write out some bullet points, some lists, and then also some list making on the side. All in all, I thought this was just very different for me. Some people might be like, that's not different at all, but different style for me because I'm normally a functional plus a little pretty, but not just all journaling. But if you want to do more bullet journaling, like I think it like lays this out super pretty. If you want to just add more just pretty little things into your planner, Love Charmaine is definitely the way to go, and the quality is top notch. All right, let me take a cup of tea or a sip of tea, and then we'll get to the next page. Okay, this is one of my favorites. Now, this is one I did not buy at the, I'm sorry if you can hear my daughter screaming in the background. She's having a good old, living her best life this morning. This sticker kit is from Hello Petite Paper. This is a company that I've been following on social media, and I have just been in love with her aesthetic, her style, her everything. And so I've been watching her a long time, and then I was like, okay, I want to get some winter stickers from her. So this is like her winter kit. And what I love, and you know me from the last video, I love some gold foiling. So you can see on like the days of the week, some nice, beautiful foiling. And she's also got kind of like some journaling stickers too. So this is kind of my jam. I love functional plus the pretty and like put it all together. So in this kit, there's a lot of little like strips with little bows so that we can use them for bullet points so you can write out some lists. Another one here, I just covered up that box so you can write, just kind of have a separate, like if you have a separate little project that you put all the to-dos right there. And then little washi tape strips. I didn't get a whole washi tape, but this is a sticker strip. Pretty. I put a couple boxes there, so little headers so I know what to write in here. Another one here for this space, and then just a pretty, and then some bullet points so I can make a list here. What I also love are days of the week stickers. Now on my planner I have the initials for the days of the week, but stickers just make it look so much prettier. So I like just putting them over sometimes, you don't have to just jazz it up, make it look gorgeous. And then a little checklist for the week if you're like what's it called, like a habit tracker. If you want to put a little habit like go to bed early, because I need to do that. What went right this week, I just put a little header underneath so that way I can write something there. And this is kind of cute. It's like a little Polaroid sticker that you can kind of put something in the middle. Now the only thing I'm going to say with Hello Petite paper, still a mama, woman owned small business, but she's not based in the US, so it is going to take longer to get to you. So basically I just bought the stickers and forgot about them, and then one day I got a surprise Happy Mail in the mail, because it does take a bit of a time to get to the States, but I think it's totally worth it. So Hello Petite paper, that's that. All right, moving on to the next one. This is from Wrong. Okay, I got the sticker book. This is her Midnights collection sticker book by Wrong. And Midnights is her mental health sticker book. And it's just all about like self-care, mental health. And I love these. These are just like clouds and butterflies, just to like feel happy and light. These are on the white paper, so they're not clear backgrounds. A whole bunch of really great quoting. Some habit trackers, some self-care gratitude boxes. You can write down the date, your anxiety level, what triggered it, and how you calmed yourself. So really great for anxiety. I know a lot of us are dealing with that right now. Medicine tracker, all kinds of stuff. So this is the planner spread with her sticker book. All right, so this is what I did, and I am in love. I love it so much. Couple of doll stickers, again venturing out in those doll stickers. And so I use the clouds here as kind of like the borders, and then some boxes. It's like the perfect trifecta. You got your pretty and decorative stickers, you got your boxes so you can still organize and plan out. This one I took it all the way up. Right here it would have said master to-do list. But I took that box and put it all the way up, and then it gave me even more room to write in my master to-do list and a much bigger heading. Gratitude, right in the gratitude, what went right box, butterfly. So all in all, I just really love it because it's very calming and beautiful and girly, and just like all about thinking about me, my self-care, and a reflective time. Wrong stickers, A+, and of course the quality is great. And these are all hand drawn. She draws her illustrations first and then turns them into stickers, so I think that's beautiful. Okay, so we finished Wrong. We did all of the weeks. Now I'm going to show you my month for February. I know February already started, but this is my February spread. I haven't written in it yet because I was trying to make this video first. I love this spread so much. This sticker kit is from the Style Planner. In the Work and Life Planner, we have a huge 2-page spread for your monthly, and it's undated. Even you saw the weekly pages are undated. And so when you get like a bullet journaling kit, you got the month, you got the dates, you got the days, and you got some other stuff, and it just makes it look so nice, organized, beautiful, and I love it. Not too flashy, but just the right amount. This one is kind of like muted. I got some other ones in kind of like the same color palette, and I used them in my weeklies. I will show you those next video. So we got all the days of the week. February, put some goals here. Self-love, put some self-care here. Currently, I never do this, but I thought it already was in the sticker, and I'm going to try it out. And then some pretty stickers. And what I love about Style Planner is, of course, the foiling. I don't know if you can see it, but just a little gold. It always looks so cute. So anyways, those are my spreads. Those are our stickers we reviewed. Hey mamas, thank you so much for watching my review channel. I wanted to say, well, first, if you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. Help me grow. I'm trying to reach my first 1,000 subscribers, and I would love for you to be one of the first. Second, if you have any suggestions on stickers you want me to review from other small business, women-owned companies, please leave me a suggestion in the comments. I will check them out for sure because I love supporting other women-owned businesses and sharing their stickers with you. Lastly, I'd love to see you at our next live video. It's going to be at the end of the month. I will put some posts up about it so you can see when the date is going to be announced. But basically, it's our Plants and Pamper Night. It's a live event. It's free. All mamas are invited to join. So I'll have a link down below too that you can click to get on the wait list if you want to be reminded about our Plants and Pamper Night. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye.